Hello, this is Yoppy. It's very hot summer in Japan right now. Wherever you go in the season, Japanese say "Atsuyo." It means it's so hot. I cannot go outside since the sun is killing me. On weekdays, working at home is better. By the way, in the hot summer, what do you want to eat? I really love Japanese food, which is cooked with an exciting sound and taste. We say that sound called juju. You might want to eat foods which is on this video. Let's check lovely Japanese food and listen carefully to the sound of the cooking. Let's go! So, that's it for today's video. How was it? Actually, I'm so proud of gyoza, since my hometown is the #1 consumer of gyoza. I love it. I wanted to enjoy the sound of Japanese food and the taste of it. Thank you for watching. I will try to upload videos which you find wakuwaku. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. I'm happy if you give me some comments what you thought about my video. See you next time. またね